demands now. We demand to provide aid and protection to humanity, for humanity globally. 2, we demand to provide the government to provide mass testing and treatment, including ventilators and hospital beds. We demand the government provide personal protective gear for all healthcare workers in hazard pay. We demand the government ensure the health and safety of all people in jail, in prison, in ICE concentration camps, and we demand the government to release all nonviolent criminals. We demand the government to release all asylum seekers and families. That's everyone in this ICE detention center. 5, we demand the immediate removal of the Trump-Pence regime. Today, we're holding nationwide stay-at-home protests, but in LA, it just so happened that Never Again is Now action called for this very righteous protest to demand free them all. So we're out here supporting Never Again action in LA. We're out here bringing the Trump-Pence Out Now demands to people. And in the name of humanity, we refuse to accept a fascist America. We need you to get online. Protest from at home. Follow @Refuse Fascism on all social media. Draw up a sign. Say why you demand Trump-Pence out now.